Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word immensity. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The immensity of the ocean stretched out before them, leaving them in awe of its vastness. Immensity refers to the vastness or enormity of something, often describing something that is extremely large or expansive in size or scale. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.